friends, how are you? Today we will solve this puzzle. Here we have some colors, a number on the cones, and here we have some balls with different colors. So what we will do is we will fill these cones with the same color. Like number 1 with red cone, we will put a red ball in it with the help of this magnet pen. Number 2, brown cone with brown balls. Number 3, we have blue color, blue cone with blue balls. Number 4, we have green cone. Here we will fill with green balls. Number 5, white cone. Here we will fill white balls. Number 6, orange cone with orange balls. Number 7, purple cone with purple balls. 8, we have pink cone with pink balls. And 9, we have yellow balls. And we will fill 9 yellow balls. And last, we have number 10 with the gray cone. And we will fill 10 gray balls in it. Did you get it? So let's start it. Here it's pink, and we will move it in a pink cone with number 8. This one is yellow. Here it goes in a yellow cone. Again yellow in a yellow cone. This one is, what color is this? Purple. In a purple cone. This is so fun. This one is gray. In a gray cone. Green in a green cone. Orange cone. Pink in a pink cone. This one is gray in a gray cone. Again purple. Again purple. Yellow in a yellow cone. Again purple. Green. Yellow in a yellow cone. Purple in a purple cone. Red. See, we have only one red because the number is 1. So we will fill only one. Orange. White. Pink. See, it's a pink color. Orange. Yellow. It's a yellow. White. Here it goes. Gray. See? This one is brown. See? And it goes in a brown cone with number 2. Again, gray. Gray, okay? Next we will pick yellow. We will pick pink. Okay, see, gray, pink, gray, pink. Okay, yellow, gray, blue. Blue goes in a blue cone. This one is purple. Here it goes in a purple cone. Don't. Gray. Oh wait, white. Gray. White. Pink. Yellow. Blue goes in a blue cone. Gray. Here we have 10 grays. Till now we have 8. This one 9, and the last 10 gray. Pink one goes in a pink cone, pink with number 8. So here we have to fill 8 pink colors. White, 1 2 3 4. We have 4 white. The number is 5, so we have another. Okay, green with number 4. Brown with number 2. Green with number 4. Pink with number 8. White with number 5. Here we have 5 white color. 1 2 3 4 5. See? Here we have blue. 1 2 3 blues. Orange. Okay. Another orange. Another orange with a number 6. The last one we have is purple. See, we have solved this puzzle. We have color balls in a color cone with the number. The red cone has red ball with the number 1. So here we have only 1 red ball. Same goes with the 2 number in a brown cone with 2 brown balls. 3 blue cone with the 3 blue balls. 4 with a green cone with the 4 green balls. 5 with a white cone with 5 white balls. 6 with the orange cone with 6 orange balls. 7 with the purple cone with 7 purple balls. 8 with a pink cone with 8 pink balls. 9 with a yellow cone with 9 yellow balls. Last we have 10 with a gray cone with 9 gray balls. See, you can also solve this puzzle in your home. It's so that you can learn numbers with some fun activities and can enjoy it. So like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to learn and play with me. Hope you have fun solving this puzzle and you have learned some numbers with me. Take care and bye.